wind picking up wants to blow my masking away, but I'm not gonna get frustrated. I can just grab it, tack that down quickly before it starts blowing around again. So I'm gonna be masking a window right here. I'll show you a small window, how I go about masking this. So I'm gonna put it about a 1/2 inch, 1/4 inch. I'm gonna roll it out. I'm gonna gauge, I'm gonna look. Just take your time, get it right where you want it. Snap it, pulls my line. Now I'm gonna pull this tight, tack it down. Now the wind starts to pick up a little bit. This is what I do. I'll take my 1.5 inch tape. I'm gonna tear off a piece of 1.5 inch tape like this, unfold it here. So you can see the wind's kicking up. It wants to blow it away. The side that is blowing it to, I'm gonna grab that. I'm gonna pull it down. I'm gonna tack it down. That's gonna hold it. That's gonna keep it from blowing away. Now I'm gonna take my 1.5 inch. I'm gonna run it down to where I tacked it to, right there. Now, go with the wind. I'm gonna tack it down. So now I've pulled it tight. I'm gonna run masking down right to where I tacked it again. I'm gonna press this to make sure it contacts my plastic everywhere. So now I'm gonna tuck this under. I'm gonna hurry up quickly, mask this bottom before the wind catches it and lifts it up. Get another piece of masking, put this on there, tear that corner, fold this corner up. The corners, I always put a piece on the corner, fill that in. Now I'm gonna fill this end, and I got a little piece overhanging. I don't have to worry about cutting it. I just lift it up, fold it up. So that's how I go about masking a small window. So I'm just gonna drop plastic, down this door. You can see the wind picking up wants to blow my masking away, but I'm not gonna get frustrated. I can just grab it anywhere right here in the middle or so, tack that down quickly before it starts blowing around again. I'll just tack that down. I'm gonna tack this over here. See the wind's blowing it around a little bit. It's all right. Paper masker. It's going to go on here just like this. Tack it down. And now that's gonna protect that. I'll tack the paper down on the ground. This, tack it right here. If you're concerned, with overspray, once again, if you're not, as good with an airless sprayer, you're concerned about that. Once again, you can protect the whole entire thing if you want to. Just throw some, tack some paper on there. And now, that's protected. Got some wind picking up. Hold it tight, snap it really quick. Get yourself, a nice straight line torn. Press this down. Depending on how windy, you'll tack it shorter distances. Yeah, it looks like wind is blowing, this direction right now. Pull this down, pull it tight, just like that. I'm gonna grab this, tack it down. It's gonna hold it, and tack it down right here. Pull it down tight. We'll tack it all the way down the bottom. Run this over here. We don't want overspray going down inside there. That's all protected. I'm gonna come across the bottom. If you got any lines that need to be straightened up, just wanna make sure that line is perfect. The last window I was doing, the wind was blowing this direction, so we'll see where it catches my plastic. So the wind's pushing it up against the window. So I'm gonna move over to this side. It hasn't picked it up yet, so I'll quickly grab it, tack it down. You can see I've got about 3/4 of an inch from my window to my plastic. If it's out too far, you're gonna have to run multiple rows of tape. Now I'm gonna move down, because I got a larger window. I gotta work on and off of a ladder. I'm gonna pull this over, pull it tight, tack it down, and fill this in. I'm gonna come over to this side. I'm gonna pull this down. I'll work from the bottom up. So I'm gonna come across. I'm gonna tuck that up underneath, just sitting it up, way up inside. I'm gonna show you typically what I'll do is I'll come here, I'll touch my plastic on there. Now I'll raise it up to the line I want it to. So I'm gonna touch the plastic. It's gonna tack onto the tape. Now I'm gonna find that line, fill the corner in, make sure there's no leaks right there. We've got one more side right here. You gotta come up on the ladder, check it out. Everything's tight. You don't see anything. Looks good.